Welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can resize pixel-wise instead of just changing the picture and doing all this. So I want to do like this. So I have all these files, they're all print ready. So they're high in DPI and high in centimeters. So what I want to do is I want to take one of these big ones, have it exactly as it is, but then changing it to pixels so I can put it on Instagram and put it into documents. So how I do this is that I take a new canvas and I say 1000 by 1000, DPI 150. We don't need DPI because it's not print ready. This is only for the internet, so we don't need the DPI. So we say 1000 by 1000 in pixels, and here we go. And create. What we then want to do is just open up this document here and say insert photo, and now we just take this print ready file. We have these are print ready, so they're high in centimeters, so this is like huge, you know, bandwidth, or what you can call it. These are really high, so you take this is really high, and then you have this. So now this has automatically been compromised. Like it's smaller in size now. Even though it's still the same picture. It's identical to the one I had before, but it's just smaller in size. So you say just okay, pretty cool, and then you say just there it is. So you can see here it says 1000 by 1000 pixels. Now you have the exact same version, but here it says 100 times 100 centimeters. This is a huge fucking print ready work, right? So it's totally different. So now you can just go out, you can put in a new document, and here it is, right? So you have it here, just ready to be put into documents or put on the net. That's my tutorial. I just wanted to show you this. Thank you.